Is your morning routine missing this key to success? Did you know that the first hour of your day sets the stage for how the rest of your day unfolds? Or have you thought about how your morning habits might be influencing your success? What if there was one element that you could use to transform these crucial morning hours into a launch pad for your daily achievements? Hello, powerful manifestors. Welcome to my channel. I'm Victoria Gallagher, the Law of Attraction hypnotist and #1 best-selling author of Practical Law of Attraction and the creator of the Believe Hypnosis app, which is designed to empower your manifestation journey using hypnotic techniques and guided meditations. And I am here to help you tap into the power of your mind, align yourself with the manifesting conditions, and successfully attract your dreams, your goals, and a life you love. So, your morning routine is like the opening chapter of your day. And what you do during these precious early moments can either write a story of success or they can set you up for a day that's just okay. And well, we're not here for just okay, are we? It really starts with intention, pure and focused intention. So, starting your day with clear intention is all about choosing the vibration that you want to be in throughout the day. You get to decide on the quality that you want to feel. You don't just, you don't have to just have a blah day. You don't have to just settle for, things went okay. How was your day? It was okay. You don't have to live that way. You get to decide at the very, very beginning of the day how the day is going to go, the quality, the feeling that you want to infuse into your day through your actions, through your thoughts. And it's not just about what you're going to do. It's not just about writing a to-do list, but it's how you go about it. It's how you do it. And more importantly, it's all about how you are feeling while you're doing it. So, how do you choose your daily intention? It can really be as simple as asking yourself each morning, how do I want to feel today? Or what is the quality that I want to bring about in my experiences today? For example, if you said that I want to feel confident as your intention, then you are committing to moving through your day feeling assertive, feeling a certain secure energy. And what that means is every word that you speak clearly, you speak firmly. Whatever actions you take, you do so decisively. If joy is your intention and you're looking for those moments of joy, you do so, you'll as you do things throughout the day, you do so with a smile, you do so with a feeling of happiness. Create situations throughout your day that bring you joy. So setting this intention doesn't have to be complicated at all. You can do this while you're still laying in bed. You can be, laying there with your eyes still closed, while you're still in kind of like a hypnotic state. And while you're laying there in bed, you can just keep your eyes closed for a little while. You can take a deep breath and you can declare to yourself, today I choose to embrace confidence. And today I choose to focus on joy. And you just simply hold on to that feeling and just allow that feeling, allow yourself to actually feel that feeling. You can conjure up any kind of feeling. You can choose at any moment how you want to feel. You can choose to visualize something or think about something, and that's going to cause you to get into that feeling. And every day's intention is going to act as like the lens, the filter through which you see the events unfolding. And really, if you think about it, setting your intention this way is like, why do we want to achieve or have anything anyway, because we want to feel a certain way. So one of the ways that, if you're having a hard time thinking about how you want to feel, well, think about what it is that you want to accomplish. What is it that you want to have? And who is it that you need to be in order to have that? How is it that thing, if you wanted to have a successful day in business, all right, if you wanted to have a day of, seeing lots of clients, and you want to feel like, you got through the day with, changing everybody's lives that you encountered, inspiring people. If you want to have a day like that, well, think about, like, how would that make you feel at the end of the day? How would achieving everything you set out to accomplish, how would making a certain amount of money that day, make you feel? How would having your relationship go how you wanted it to go make you feel? How would a day of eating the right way or exercising the right way to keep your health in check, how would you feel? All right. And, so this intention, is really going to be how you're going to experience the day. And as you experience the day through that lens, through that filter, that is going to shape all of your experiences. And it's a super powerful practice, and it puts you in control of your day. Every day you get to choose your intention and how you feel. So just take a moment right now, and what state of being do you want to live in today? And go ahead and declare that right now in the comments, because your words have power, especially when you write them down. So go ahead right now and write down what your intention is. How do you want to feel? What is the quality, of your beingness that you want to embody? All right. Now, after you have set this intention, then you want to anchor that with some visualization. So now, after you've said, okay, this is how I want to feel, picture yourself going through your day living in that state of being. If it's confidence, see yourself walking into any room with your head held high. See yourself at the end of your sessions with people, your coaching sessions with people. See yourself at the end of your appointments. Whatever it is that you do throughout your day that you want to have that confidence for, see yourself going through that activity, that event, but maybe it's giving a great speech, whatever it is. See yourself happy and joyful, and visualizing yourself laughing and enjoying your day and smiling throughout the day. All right. So then we hit up the affirmations. All right. These are your daily commands. This is, your I am. Whenever you say your affirmations and you say I am, this is how you are going to live your affirmations. So for example, I am attracting success and opportunities to me now. I am stepping into, confident appointments with my clients throughout the day, whatever it is. Okay. So just I am will set that more in motion. And then gratitude. So this is just the next part of your morning routine, is the gratitude. And that's like the secret sauce. All right. The gratitude is ultimately what amplifies everything in your morning routine. So write down 3 things that you are grateful for every day, that you can shift your mindset from one of lack to one of abundance. And then there's action, and action ultimately is what seals the deal. It's not enough just to set the intentions. You can set the intention and then lay around in bed all day and you're not going to get anything accomplished. So you've got to embody these intentions with taking some kind of action. That means that you're doing things that align with your intention. So if you declared that you're going to have confidence throughout the day, then, maybe it's that what are you going to wear? How are you going to do your hair? How are you going to carry yourself? How are you going to walk? You want to actually embody this feeling of confidence. And, if you just, if you put yourself into an environment where that supports your ability to be confident, if you move your body in a certain way that embodies confidence, you're going to feel more confident throughout the day. And, remember, consistency is the key to success. Consistency is the key to success. Write that in the comments. Consistency is the key to success, because, doing something sometimes isn't a routine. All right. You might miss a day once every couple of weeks, okay? But a morning routine is something that you actually do every day. It's a commitment. And that is ultimately how you signal to the universe that you are serious about what it is that you are attracting. So as we come to the end of this session, I want to know, what is one change that you are going to make in your morning routine based on everything that we've discussed here? Share it in the comments. We talked about a number of things. We talked about the way to set the intention. We talked about the affirmation. We talked about taking action. We talked about gratitude, and we talked about visualization. So those are 5 things, and all those things, they can be done boop, 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 boop. You can literally do each of these things. It doesn't have to take more than 10 or 15 minutes. I personally, I have like a little bit of a long, elaborate routine, that starts at 5 o'clock in the morning and goes till 8 o'clock, and including getting out and doing some walking. But ultimately, it's up to you how much time you want to devote to your morning routine. And every change that you make is a step toward a new level of success. Change is the key. And to change, it requires consistency. And so ultimately, you are on the road to a new level of success, by doing these things each and every day. Incorporating the law of attraction into your morning routine is just going to help equip you to face the day with energy, with purpose. And it's all about making these small, intentional choices and building momentum of positivity and achievement as you continue to make progress each and every day. So if you see the value in shaping your day right from the start for better results, then go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Share it with someone who could use a little nudge in the right direction. Hit the subscribe button if you like this video and you want to see more like this. And for those mornings when you need a little helping hand, my Believe Hypnosis app offers hours and hours of hypnosis, meditation, affirmations, all designed to help put you in the right headspace for the day. Actually, not to be confused with that other company, in the right mindset for the day. And so thank you so much for joining me. Be sure to download the Believe Hypnosis app. There's actually a session in the Believe Hypnosis app on morning routine habit. All right. And there's a session in there on setting your intention. I mean, there's sessions in there on everything we just talked about. Using some hypnosis can guide you through this process and help make it a little bit easier for you. And so don't miss the next video where I'm going to share more strategies to help you live the life you love. I'm Victoria Gallagher, wishing you a success-filled day. Bye for now.